For these workouts, I am using the Inspire Fitness Ftx Functional Trainer cable machine. Try doing 10 reps and 4 sets of all these exercises. Start at a comfortable weight level and gradually increase your weight. This is the cable hip extension. This exercise works your glutes and hamstrings. I like doing this exercise while stepping higher on the other leg. This allows for better range of motion. This is the bended knee kickback standing exercise. This exercise is a variation of the cable hip extension. Bending at the knee allows for higher weights and thus a more effective targeting of glutes and hamstrings muscles. This is the hip abduction. This works the outer glutes or hips area. This can be done on the floor, but kneeling on the bench allows for better range of motion on the targeted leg. This is a variation of the bended knee kickback on the bench. This is a great exercise for targeting glutes and hamstrings with higher weights and lower repetitions. This one is the cable hip adduction. This exercise works your inner thighs. Stronger inner thighs are beneficial for better posture, decrease lower back pain, and strengthening your core. This is a deadlift exercise. This exercise effectively targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This exercise is very effective. Start slow and progress consistently to minimize lower back injuries. Glute squats exercises are great for targeting your quads, which are the front of your legs, along with your glutes and hamstrings, in that particular order from greatest to least. Squats with a cable bar over shoulders specifically target the quads, which are the front legs and glutes. It also targets the hamstrings as a secondary muscle group. Next is the front cross bar squats. I find this exercise to be more challenging than the previous squats with a bar over the shoulders. If you are up for a challenge, give this one a try. Abdominal and hip flexor exercises. Starting with knee lifts. If you have lower back pain, abdominal separation from childbirth, or just starting, begin here. If you are returning back after taking some time off from exercise, also start here. Knee lift intermediate allows the transition to the full leg lift. Once the knee lift exercises are comfortably increasing in weight, you can try to move up to this more challenging exercise. The full leg lift is your advanced abdominal workout with weights. This is a very effective and proven exercise to strengthen your lower and upper abdomen, along with the hip flexors, knees to chest on the bench. The exercise uses ankle straps tied on one cable. This exercise is also just as effective while sitting on the floor. This is the seated shoulder press. This one exercise works out the shoulders while sitting. Doing this exercise sitting can feel more comfortable to the lower back than standing. Next is the incline chest press. I find this exercise to be very comfortable and effective at working out the chest with this cable bar. The pull-down triceps works out the back of the upper arms. Tightening out the muscles of the upper arm is important for progressing in all other back exercises. Cable lying triceps works out the 3 triceps muscle groups, outer, lower, and upper. Cable upright row works out your upper back and side of your shoulders. Bar standing shoulder press works out the front and side shoulders. It also works out the triceps as a secondary muscle group. Bar cable biceps works out the front of the upper arms. I was getting calluses in my hands for this exercise, so I do like to wear workout gloves now as I increase my weights. I really like doing this cable row with lat bar exercise. It just feels good on my arms and back. This works out the lats and upper back. This is the back row band area for women. The bar chest press is another one of my favorite exercises to do. This is a great place to build your entire chest area. The Lat Pulldown is also another well-rounded, effective exercise for working out the lats, back, shoulders, and upper back. The cable row is another one of my favorites for working out the lats and upper back. Well, I really hope this collection of exercises has inspired you to get started on your fitness or add them to your existing routine. If you have enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe to receive more content from Action in Wellness.